Welcome to Learning Lane, a place where geography comes alive, and every question leads to something incredible. Let's dive in. What if Earth stopped spinning for 1 second? Not slowed down, not changed direction, just stopped. It sounds small, right? Just 1 second. But that 1 second could unleash winds faster than sound, trigger massive tsunamis, and turn a normal day into global chaos. And the craziest part? Even if Earth stopped, you wouldn't. Right now, as you're watching this, you are moving incredibly fast, even though it doesn't feel like it. Earth rotates once every 24 hours. That means, at the equator, you are moving at around 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most airplanes. So, why don't we feel it? Because everything around us moves together. The air, the oceans, buildings, your body, all moving at the same speed. It's like sitting inside a smooth airplane. When motion is constant, you don't notice it. But the moment Earth stops, everything changes. Because even if the ground stops, you don't. Your body still has motion. So do cars, trees, buildings, even the air. And suddenly, everything keeps moving forward at extreme speed. At the equator, you could be thrown sideways at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's not strong wind. That's like being launched at airplane speed. People, vehicles, glass, concrete, all flying across the surface. Entire cities could collapse in seconds. Now imagine the air itself. The atmosphere wouldn't stop instantly. It would keep moving at full speed. That means planet-wide supersonic winds. Winds powerful enough to tear buildings apart, rip trees from the ground, and blast debris across continents. But the oceans might be even worse. Water has massive momentum. If Earth stops, the oceans don't. They keep moving, crashing into land with unstoppable force. Gigantic waves slamming into coastlines. Entire cities swallowed in seconds. Now here's something important. Gravity doesn't disappear. You wouldn't float into space. Gravity comes from Earth's mass, not its spin. But rotation does slightly reduce gravity. So if Earth stops, you would weigh just a tiny bit more. But that's not the real danger. The real danger is momentum. Think of it like this. If you roll a ball forward and suddenly stop the surface beneath it, the ball doesn't stop. It keeps moving. That's exactly what would happen on a global scale. Even if some people survived, the aftermath would be devastating. Infrastructure destroyed, power systems down, transport gone, food supply disrupted. The world would struggle to recover. Thankfully, this scenario is almost impossible. Earth cannot just stop spinning without an unimaginable force. But it reveals something incredible. Right now, you are moving at extreme speed, and yet everything feels calm. Because everything moves together. Break that balance, and even 1 second can change everything. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more with Learning Lane. See you in the next one.